friends, welcome to Food vs Sharma. Today we are going to make an excellent curry dish which requires no onion, no garlic, yet very tasty. The authentic North Indian dish Dum Aloo. So first of all we will prepare our spice mixture. I have taken here 2 tablespoons of oil. To this we will add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 9 to 10 black peppers, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, 4 to 5 cloves and cardamom each, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 mace petal, 3 dried red chili, 2 bay leaf, 1 cup of cashew and 1 medium size chopped tomato. Now cook till tomato turns mushy. Cover it with lid and we'll let it cook for 5 minutes. Finally, we will add salt. So use salt as per your taste. Now transfer everything in a jar. We'll add poppy seeds here. You can also skip if it is not available to you. However, it enhances the taste of a curry. Now grind it to fine paste. Pan on. We'll heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add boiled potatoes here. I have taken around 6 to 7 medium sized potato and have cut down into 2 pieces. We'll give it a shallow fry with turmeric powder and salt, half teaspoon each. Seems like it's done, so we will take it out and keep it aside. In the same pan, we'll add cloves and cardamom, 4 pieces each, half teaspoon of carom seed, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Pour the prepared spice mixture in there. Stir until oil separates. So now we will mash one of the fried potato and add it to the mixture. Drop in the fried potatoes here and now mix everything well. So here we will add water, and the amount of water literally depends on the amount of gravy you want in the curry. Now cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Once the bubble comes in, we'll add half teaspoon of sugar. You can see the thick gravy and it just smells perfect. And our delicious Dum Aloo is ready now. Give it a try and share your experience with me. Link for Instagram and Facebook is in the description box. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cool recipes. Until next video, goodbye.